So, getting quite a few responses to the 2 videos from last week. And the big question is, what do I look for? Okay. A lot of people who've watched the videos who have businesses that are suffering, that are not working right now, that are not open because of the pandemic, are trying to collect their policies. That's the first problem, is actually getting the complete policy. And then the second thing is they're saying, what do they look for? All right. So here's the first thing you want to look for. You want to look to your general commercial liability policy, and you want to specifically look at the property damage policy. That'll be part of it. And on your declarations page, you're looking for something called business income or business interruption. You have to pay extra for that. Your agent had to have advised you to purchase it, and you had to have actually purchased it. Okay? If you have those 2 things on your declarations page, there's a property coverage policy that you need to get. You need to have your agent send that to you. So that's where you start before you file your claim. All right? Now, what agents are telling people, because the insurance companies are telling agents this, is that nobody's business income or business interruption policies cover this period of time because of the virus and the bacteria exclusion in their policies. That's not necessarily correct. They're going to have to prove that in court, and they're going to have a really hard time doing it. Because your business, most likely, almost guaranteed, has not been contaminated by a virus or a bacteria. It's been determined by the governor that the risk of that damage is so high that it's unsafe for you to do business. In fact, it would be illegal for you to do business. So they can't prove, and it's their burden, they cannot prove that your business is closed because of a virus or a microorganism. So when you look for that coverage, if you have it, you should make a claim. Now, the way that you make the claim is very, very important, and the language that you use to make the claim is very, very important. And I'll tell you, these insurance contracts are incredibly difficult to read. They're incredibly difficult to understand, even for lawyers. That's by design. They're specifically drafted to be confusing and to be open to interpretation, because they're counting on you just giving up. But what most of you don't know is that in the courts of Massachusetts, anytime there's an ambiguity in an insurance contract, anytime there's a conflict in an insurance contract, the court is going to interpret it against the insurance company and in your favor. That's the law. So if you want to go through these policies yourself and make the decision yourself as to whether or not you're entitled to coverage, you're free to do it. But if you'd like to have us do it for you for free, push that little button and send us a message. There's a little bot that'll say hi to you right away. I don't know how to shut that off, but it'll be me personally who responds to you. It'll be me personally who reviews your policy, and I'd love to do it for you.